Hello, everybody, and welcome to another hotel room tour from your favorite traveling channel. This time, I am at Staybridge Suites in Overland Park, Kansas. I have a 2-bedroom suite this time. So, starting at the door, the first thing you'll see is these little magnet signs you can put on the door. Or on the door frame, I guess. And there's tidying up, do not disturb, and check back tomorrow. So that's kind of interesting. So immediately after walking in to the right, there is a nice full-size kitchen with a full-size refrigerator, nice big microwave, a stovetop, and a dishwasher, and a sink. And they actually give you dishes. There's some silverware, there's some pots, there's some more pots. What else do we have in here? There's plates, there's glasses, there's wine glasses, there's bowls, there's lids. There's sugar, there's pepper. What else? What else is there? Plenty of room in the microwave. Anything in here? Guess not. But anyway. Plenty of space and features in this kitchen here. Oh, a microwave, a coffee maker and a toaster. Oh, and a spoon. So yeah, you could definitely cook anything you want to in here with what is already here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. A little island for eating. On to what is, I guess, what you could call the living room section of the room, which is more like a studio apartment at this point. So there's the couch, which is a sleeper sofa. It's actually pretty comfy. And there's the TV. A desk to the right. A desk to the left. Not a desk, but a table to the left. Check out the view. It's kind of a nice view at nighttime. See the traffic going by. See the highway to the left. Onto the bedroom section. I think you just have to use a lamp. Onto the bedroom section. There's one bed, 2 beds. I have somebody coming later, so that's why there's 2 beds. Give it the old jump on. Test. Oh yeah. This is comfy. Plenty of pillows. Plenty of support. In the middle, there's a lamp with an outlet and a USB port, so that's cool. And there's even outlets and USB ports on the wall, as well as a clock, radio, alarm clock, and another phone. Oh, let's see what the window's like. Let's see what the view is like out of this window as well. Nice little view. I can see my car all the way down there. See how well you can zoom in on it. Yeah, it gets a little grainy at that distance. But there's the view at the bedroom window. There's the TV in between the two beds. Perfect location. On to the bathroom with a nice light up mirror on the vanity. Your favorite content creator. What's this? Oh, there's some soap. And that was this thing. A lotion, tissues, toiletries, a hairdryer. They don't always give you that, so that's nice. A closet. Oh, with a laundry basket. That's new. I don't think I've been somewhere that gave you that before. Anyway, there's the ironing board, hangers for hanging, a shelf for storage. On to the bathroom. Turn the light on here. There's some towels. Everything looks to be clean, which is good. And not just in here, like everywhere else too. There's a tub. The shower head. And the shower curtain. And they give you shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Which I really like when they do it like that. So I guess that is about it. Thank you for watching the video of the Staybridge Suites hotel room tour. I forgot to mention they gave you coffee as well. So yeah, that's nice for people that drink coffee. I personally don't. Oh, and tea. Anyway. How do you flip the camera? That has been this tour of the Staybridge Suites in Overland Park, Kansas. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching. And I will see you at the next one. And thank you for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, making this channel monetization eligible. So if you see ads on this channel in the very near future, that means that it was accepted into the partnership program. So thank you everybody for help making that happen. And yeah. That's it for now. See you on the next adventure, which is probably going to be either the 12th or the 17th. For plenty more concerts and travel videos, keep it tuned to the Cool Concert channel.